Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for February 8. Sugar workers in Springfield, Clarendon are in line to get 88 houses as the government makes good on its promise to provide decent housing solutions for them. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller signed a $161 million contract on Wednesday with the Seal Construction Company Limited and broke ground for the construction of the units. Some 209 persons are expected to benefit from the project funded by the European Union.
We're not only building houses, we are building communities with first-class infrastructure, including water, electricity, and central sewage systems.
The head of the EU delegation to Jamaica says the organization is pleased to partner with Jamaica.
We are happy to contribute to a sector with such a great potential and are confident that this excellent level of cooperation will continue.
Sugar workers who will benefit from the housing project in Springfield, Clarendon will only have to pay the fees associated with their titles. Scrap metal exports will resume this weekend. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton made the announcement at a Manchester Chamber of Commerce meeting Thursday night. He told the gathering that all three processing sites in Clarendon and Kingston were currently operational. The minister asserted that new and more stringent rules would improve the overall operations of the industry, which reopened on January 28. Meanwhile, persons are again being urged to stop stealing metal. The most recent call came from Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Robert Pickersgill.
I'm agreeing with my colleague minister about resuscitating the scrap metal industry. I'm appealing to Jamaicans to desist generally from stealing iron.
Minister Pickersgill made the appeal as he toured sections of the Yallas pipeline in Ramble St. Thomas recently. The $75 million project, which is expected to be completed next week, will return the Yallas pipeline to full service.
I cannot overemphasize the importance of the Yallas pipeline. And for you to have completed the job on time and within budget was really an excellent performance. And that would be due to your honest and productive work.
The Yallas pipeline, which takes water from the Yallas and Negro rivers to the Mona Dam, suffered severe damage during Hurricane Sandy last October. Police Commissioner Owen Ellington is to begin a review of an administrative assessment of the Jamaica Police Academy following the recent shooting incident at the police training camp. The commissioner ordered the assessment last week after a training session went awry, leaving one policeman dead and 5 others wounded. It's reported that live ammunition was fired during the training exercise that should have only involved the use of blank bullets. At a recent press briefing, Commissioner Ellington asserted that the police training facility had an enviable track record of safety, but said there were questions to be answered. 6 instructors on duty at the time have been interdicted. The new national sports policy recently approved by Cabinet is expected to be tabled in Parliament soon. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner made the disclosure at the Jamaica House briefing on Wednesday.
The intent of the policy is to foster greater participation in sports, promote mental and physical health, enhance social and economic well-being, create a healthy and more productive labor force, and stimulate greater avenues for economic development.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is looking forward to the upcoming football match between Jamaica and Mexico at the National Stadium. This after the Reggae Boys drew 0-0 with the Mexicans in the Azteca Wednesday night, their first match in final round World Cup qualifying action.
If we could have done what we did in the Azteca, just check what will happen. Kingston, Jamaica for the return.
The boys will face Mexico on June 4 and Panama on March 22 at the National Stadium. The Prime Minister was addressing the Pan American Sport Association Extraordinary Assembly on Thursday. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.